E-bike, also known as an electric bicycle, is a bicycle with an integrated electric motor, used to assist propulsion. E-bikes convert electrical energy into mechanical energy to run, of course by using motors. E-bikes use rechargeable batteries and typically travel up to 25 to 32 km per hour. High-powered varieties can often travel more than 45 km per hour. The concept of e-bikes is not from now. This idea came up in 1890s, which have been in use since the late 19th century. And you guys know that how much e-bikes are developing day by day. E-bike developers providing different futuristic options in e-bikes now, like finger lock system, anti-theft, location and a lot more. E-bikes are zero-emissions vehicles, but the environmental effects of electricity generation and of manufacturing batteries must be accounted for. Even with these issues considered, e-bikes have a significantly lower environmental impact than cars. Information about electric bicycles.